Hello students, welcome to in 5 minutes. Now, the next topic what I'm going to discuss is ROC, that is region of convergence. So, what is exactly this? So for this, I need to take an example which will make you whole concept clear. So let's say f of k is equal to 3 raised to k greater than 0. So I say k greater than equal to 0. So that's my first case. So let's define zt for this. So I say here z of f of k, that is summation k equal to 0 to infinity. I'll be putting 0 to infinity because your function is valid only for k greater than equal to 0. Z raised to minus k, and my function for this is 3 raised to k. So let's solve this. I'll be getting summation k equal to 0 to infinity. This is 3 by z whole raised to k. So now we have a series. So according to series, what we can write, this is 1 divided by 1 minus 3 by z, where mod of 3 by z is less than 1. So therefore, what we can define here, this came to be z divided by z minus 3, and this comes to be mod of z is greater than mod 3, which you can write as 3. Now what does exactly this means? So I'll just put a note for you. So students, when you say z, now z is nothing but a complex function. So when we say mod z, so that is under root of x square plus y square. So the example, if I say mod z is equal to a, so that comes under root of x square plus y square, that is equal to a. So x square plus y square, that becomes is equal to a square. So which tells me that this is equation of circle with, let's define center 0 comma 0 and radius is equal to a. So after comparing this, what I can say here, I can define this as again center 0 comma 0 and radius is equal to 3. So if I make this, it comes to be, so let's say that this is my circle which has a radius 3, and the ROC is telling that, see, when we define, just remember that this is said to be ROC, region of convergence. So ROC is telling that, ROC is signifying that mod of z is greater than 3. So if it is greater than 3, that means what? It is outside the circle. In the similar way, I define one more sum, that is sum number 2. Let's say f of k is, again I take the same function, that is 3 raised to k, but now I define it for k less than 0. So solution tells me that z of f of k, that is equal to summation. Since it is k less than 0, so k starts with minus infinity to minus 1, z raised to minus k, and my function is 3 raised to k. So therefore, we can say this as k equal to minus infinity to minus 1. This changes to, we can write this as 3 by z whole raised to k. Now students, just remember one thing, that for negative limits, as I said, we can change negative limit to positive by keeping a variable negative. So I can define this u equal to 1 to infinity. This comes 3 by z raised to minus u. So we can define this as u is equal to 1 to infinity z by 3 raised to u. This is my series of, which we can say as, this is given by a raised to n. So I say a divided by 1 minus a, where mod of a is less than 1. So therefore, we can say here this comes to be z by 3 into 3 divided by 3 minus z, and this comes to be mod of z in less than 3. So now final answer I can get as z divided by 3 minus z, where mod of z is less than 3. So we can define this as ROC. So according to ROC, what we can say, here my ROC will be, here we can say ROC as, there is again a circle with center 0 comma 0 and radius is 3. So I make that first. So let's define a circle with radius 3. But now mod of z is less than 3. Less than 3 tells you that my function is valid only inside the circle. So what we understood here, ROC came to be outside and here ROC came as inside. So we should understood this very well, students. Thank you for watching video in 5 minutes.